If you are having problem to convert meter into kilometers in Excel, then this video is perfect for you. And first you need to use the convert function, and I have a meters in the column B, and there is a kilometer and in the column C. So how you can convert this? Put the equal sign and use the convert function. Open the bracket, select the cell reference, give the comma, and put the double quote and put the M. M stands for meters, double quote, comma, double quote, and put KM. Abbreviation is the of kilometers, double quote, and close the bracket, hit enter, and now use the fill handle to drag the other values, and here you can decrease the decimals. So 1000 meters equal to 1 kilometer, and simultaneously 2000 meters equal to the 2 kilometers. So you can also use the division or multiplication formula and put the equal sign and select the cell reference and multiply by 1000. Keep in mind that the in 1 kilometer equal to the 1000 meters. So hit enter. And this is what you can easily drag the other values. So I hope this video helps you to understand how you can convert meters into kilometers in Excel. I'm sure this is pretty simple and easy. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.